interests and aspirations. Anyway, aside from him, of course, I would like to congratulate and greet my special friend as well, si Dr. Samuel, the chairman and founding president of the Matarang Masa Task Force, as well as, of course, the group from Cebu, kay Sir Chaplain, sir. Good morning. And the other officers and members, as well as from those Tarlac, Region 4A, and Las Piñas, Parañaque, and Alabang. At sa lahat po, magandang umaga po. Today, thank you for inviting me to be here. And I want also to congratulate the third anniversary of the Comradcom, kung saan ay itong pangatlong taon nyo to based on the statement or our chairman as well as our national advisor. We have a common interest. Kung papansinin nyo, formerly I'm a police officer. Retired na po ako. Now, nandito na rin ako sa Force Multiplier. Nung una, kayo ay kakibat, kaagapay, taga-taguyod ng PNP. I'm also formerly assigned and the PNP Director in combating corruptions, crimes, and other criminalities. Yan po. Ngayon, hindi na yung kami ang kasama nyo. Ako na ang tayo na. Kasama nyo na ako sa pagtulong the government for the maintenance of peace and order. So ganun po ang buhay, no? So ang permanente lang talaga is change. Hindi wala yung permanente ka sa position. Kaya sabi ko nga, for several instances, as well as in the security industry, for your information po, I'm also in the security industry as a chairman or the founder of ACOSIQ. Kung ano yung ginagawa nyo, pare-paras tayo. Magkakaiba lang yung grupo natin, but yung interest natin ay isa, to help people. Kaya po, muli, kay Sir Conrad, Rogelio, Cabral, maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita muli. Sana ito na yung umpisa ng pagsama-sama ng mga NGOs na katulad natin to help the government. Sino nga, sabi nga ni kanina ni Seth, saan mag-umpisa? Sino bang gagawa? So tamang-tama itong panahon na to, magsama-sama tayo and ipakita natin na tayo man ay nasa civilian sector, we can help the government for the maintenance of peace and order as well as the prosperity. Gandang umaga po, maraming salamat.
All right.